Yo, morning guys. All right, it is day number 3. Currently finishing out my drive to Columbia, South Carolina. The sun's out right now, it's pretty nice, but I know I had some snow, some rain last night, so not sure if we're gonna get to skate any outdoor parks today, but a guy named Hayes reached out to me, local skater from the area, and said him and a bunch of guys have a space where there's an indoor mini ramp. So at least we got somewhere to skate today. I'm actually meeting him right now to grab some lunch at a local barbecue spot. So yeah, I'm excited. It should be a fun day.
Chad, I thought you were never
Chad. Nice to meet you. How's it going? Nice to meet you. How's it going? I was heard me first time. Let's go.
Yeah, we was waiting line. Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm doing well.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yo, what's going on? How are you doing?
How's everything?
Doing all right.
How's
Doing all
everything?
right.
Good to see you.
How's the drive in?
Oh, it was good. Smooth. Yeah.
No bad weather.
Nah, I hit a little hail last night. That was awesome. Haven't had brisket in a while. Honestly though, I probably could have had like 3 or 4 more times the amount of food, but can't be too full when I'm skating the ramp, so that was perfect.
But we're tearing that section out, and we're gonna extend it to the wall. Because when I was building this, we moved it from the old location to here.
Yeah.
And then I was here building at night, and I just got the wild hair to do that. From an old place we had like a bunch of ramps at a place we called the Slab.
So how old is the ramp itself?
About 10 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we had it in the first warehouse for about 5, and this for about 5.
Wow. Yeah, it's holding up well.
Yeah, and the good thing is, other than like fixing where the coping's sagging a little, and we're gonna replace the coping because in the summer it gets so humid in here that we have to spray it every week.
Oh, really?
And right when we spray it, it's just a little treacherous.
Do you guys all like chip in
Yep.
for rent or something like that?
We have one guy that heads it all up. He manages all the money
Oh, nice.
and the pot we have for upgrades and stuff.
it was like 10 guys? 20?
It might be about 20. now.
20?
It started as 12.
Okay.
And we'd skate on Friday nights, and there was a taco place across the street that we'd go eat tacos.
Yeah, that sounds incredible.
And then during the build times, like one too many people had one too many drinks, and it was funny.
Yeah, I hear that. No, thanks for having me, man.
No,
Perfect.
hell yeah. Anytime you're in
Thank you.
town, you're more than welcome.
Yeah.
You know how to track that dude down. You know how to track me down.
Yeah, 100%. Mind if I film you cruise the bowl?
Sure.
All right. Look at you. Yeah. It's a workout right there.
I live a pretty good ways away.
That's fun. It's
Yeah,
good.
man.
All right, just pulled up to Bluetile. Before I head in there, though, I just want to give a shout out to Dave, the owner of the shop. He's been doing so much for skateboarding for so many years, and I, as someone who's worked in the shop for many years, skate parks, you know, I've seen that side of it, and it's super tough to last that long. And I just love what he's doing. It's super creative, you know, creating content. Like, that's a tough thing to figure out as a shop, and he's done an incredible job. And yeah, just want to give him a shout out. I'm super appreciative to be able to show the Across America documentary there. Yeah, let's head in there. Should be fun.
I don't know. Yeah, it's an evolution. I guess
Yeah.
the shelf has been there for a couple years, maybe now, maybe a year and a half.
Yeah, looks
The
great.
lights or this table, like a buddy of mine worked at a restaurant supply, like they supply restaurant grade steel, and that one these were like two huge long bars that had tiny scratches on them, and once they have scratches on them, you can't use them in a restaurant.
Oh wow.
So he's like, yeah, it's free. It's just sitting outside. I was like,
Oh, so that's what you do for the overhead shots?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
yeah. I was thinking like the lights and stuff would hook
Yeah.
up to this, but I needed more
Yeah,
mobility.
that works.
You know, I like this one because it kind of has a VX mount.
Yeah,
So
it's
I
got
was
that feel to it.
So that's why I went with that.
To push himself beyond the limit. So.
first I wasn't too good on the idea. I thought it was a little crazy. He has his own mindset on what he wants to do, and he's gonna do what he wants to do.
Did you reach out to any of the companies and shit? And like
So
tell them, like you use their shit?
I reached out to Adidas, so I've been flow for years. I pitched them on the documentary. I pitched them on everything. They said no. They said no when it picked up steam. They said no afterwards to the book. They said no to the documentary. To the show. They said Bones. I reached out to them. They said no beforehand. Texas though was probably the worst.
Oh really?
Yeah, because the ground was just so bad.
Yeah, I heard it had like rough roads over there.
Yeah, I'm getting one.
That would have been like I could have gotten that far.
I can pay without learning.
Getting signed on the girlfriend bought board. Does your knee feel stronger?
My legs felt better afterwards. I felt
That's what
stronger.
I
My
was
feet
thinking.
were in pain, but my legs and knees felt
When I
better.
first went,
You know, like physical therapy is basically you're just training all your muscles around the joint.
so by the time you push the other side, it's trained up.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for Columbia. Everyone there was super nice, incredible experience. Shout out to Dave. He really killed it setting that whole thing up. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be in Savannah, Georgia. After that, probably cruising up and down Florida for like a week or two. So you guys know any cool spots or things I should hit, just leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.